Hey guys, so I've been wanting to do a little tour of the bed for quite a while now. I haven't done it in the past, just because I never felt like it was 100% what I wanted. I finally have the right setup, the right modifications to the bed, and I really like my design because I can fit a microwave, a toilet, extra storage, and a refrigerator under there as well. So, a lot of different things I can fit. I mean, I would even use this for a larger van that I do in the future, like a Ram ProMaster or something of that nature. Now, as of right now, I'm not doing those type of vans, but, when future calls. But, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty simple. So I'll take apart the bed in a second to kind of show you what's going on the inside, the mechanisms. But first, just to kind of let you know, this is marine grade interior, so super thick, really good to use in any applications, what you find in boats. The foam I used was high density foam. Foam prices have skyrocketed in California. I spent close to $200 just for the foam for this thing, and it is 4 inches. For the wood, I went away from 2x4s. I used to always use 2x4s, but now I just buy the finished pine wood at Home Depot just to make it a lot easier for myself. It's not as warped. And the dimensions of this bed, when fully spread out, is 76 inches by 46 inches in width. And the height of the bed is 20 inches. This is what the bed looks like with the cushions off and the panel off on the side. So there's 2 main pieces for this bed. This section right here and this section right here that's stationary. This one moves and it brings all the panels, every other panel, to go to the right. And it's all attached to this rail that slides across here to go to the cabinet. Now, if you are going to tackle this yourself, make sure to put notches in the stationary part of the bed. So as you can tell, this is part of the stationary part of the bed, this panel here, because it's actually screwed in. And this notch allows for the bed to go in and out. I've done it where I have not made this notch before, and it is a pain in the butt to put in. So you really don't want the bed to start going towards a cabinet while you're driving, from all the shaking and different things like that. So in this build, I put a little locking mechanism. See, if it just pulls out like that. So when I take it out, the bed can now come out. And as you can tell, this plank is just part of the stationary part of the bed. You put it back in. Just a magnet. You can use pretty much anything. The refrigerator has a little lock there that goes into the floor. Little storage in front of it. And the drawer slides are just attached to the stationary part of the bed. Here's a look at what it looks like when it's fully opened. There's a gap right here, and there's a gap over here. And the gaps are not a big deal, as long as you don't make them too big. No one's weight is going to be over there for the most part. And as you can see, the rail moved with the bed. And here's a little angle. I did screw the legs down into the floor. I think I have them that deep into the floor, the screws. Important that it's down there. You know, it's not going to move while you're driving the bed. Going through the side door, you can access the toilet. And I just wanted to give you a look from this side. So, these planks that come back over the back part of the backbone of the bed, I put these notches in with a router. Very important. If you don't do it, it's just going to get stuck when you slide the bed back in. I have had it happen before, and it's no fun to put the bed back. For the wiring, the refrigerator, I just put the wire right here, and the wire's attached to the refrigerator, and you know, as long as you put the wire up, it's not going to get caught in anything. Let's take a look at the back cabinet slash bed extender. So this is the bed extender. This extender folds down during the day, so you can put your seats all the way back if you're a tall person, and then at night you could fold it back up and have an extra 9 inches, which again, this bed ends up being 76 inches of space, which I think a king size bed is around 80 inches. And it is now folded down, and I put a bunch of storage behind there. Not the prettiest storage, but a lot of storage. You could use it for an extra 3 batteries or just miscellaneous. And the big thing that I had to make sure is that this part right here didn't go too high. So the plastic part on the seat didn't actually hit it as it went back. Because if it hit it, then, well, then you couldn't put the seat all the way back. And that was it, guys. Thanks for watching the tour of the bed. Hopefully I covered most of what you were looking for. Don't be afraid to try this. I mean, there's going to be a mistake. You have to know that there's going to be a mistake along the way. Just prepared to have patience with yourself and to fix it. So, good luck and have a great day.